And then if we hit start, it'll go around to each 5 studs. I learned a lot about automation taking this class, like a lot. The PLC is a very cool piece of equipment to use.
What I've taken is the kind of design and actual manufacturing process behind building a machine. We have the idea on the whiteboard, to the CAD models, to the 3D printed parts, and to a functional prototype.
What I took from the course primarily would be more of the logical thinking of how to get from step A to step B in an efficient manner. I would recommend taking the automation course because today's industry is moving a lot towards the automation processes.
I know a lot of industry uses ladder logic for setting up their R&D. A similar application where you would want to use a PLC that simplifies the process so you don't have to click a bunch of buttons.
All the machining centers, all the paint lines, it's all automated by PLCs. So if we're able to take this one small process and you multiply it by 100, you have a whole paint line.
You had some people doing CAD modeling because we wanted to model everything. The other part was making a ladder logic. So say it goes down to a limit switch, the PLC knows, okay, now I need to do this with the machine.
Get the kind of cross communication across the team and trying to see who's got where their strengths are, where their weaknesses are, and try to fit them in to where they're good at and fill in the spots where they need the help.
I always enjoy the team aspects from NDSU's lab courses. We all worked together really well in our team. We all showed up to every meeting and we had lots of fun and we worked through any issues that we had together.